Hello children, welcome back and I hope you all are fit and fine. In the last video, we have discussed about possessive adjective and today let's see what possessive pronoun is. Well, we already know that the word possess refers to possessions and ownership of something. That means something that you have or own. So, what is meant by possessive pronoun? Possessive pronoun is a word that replaces a noun by talking about its possession. That means a word that replaces a noun and tells who that noun owns. Fine? And possessive adjectives can be changed into possessive pronouns. If you look at this table, over here, my becomes mine, our becomes ours, your becomes yours, their, theirs, her becomes hers, but his remains his. So, if you look at this possessive adjectives and pronouns, most of the possessive adjectives are changed into possessive pronouns by simply adding s at the end of them, isn't it? For example, this desktop is hers. In this sentence, word hers shows an ownership and also replaces a noun. We already know that the words which replace the noun are called pronouns. Fine? Therefore, in the given example, word hers is possessive pronoun. Now, what is important to keep in mind is that possessive pronouns like hers, ours, theirs are written without apostrophe. Okay? And also, we already know that a possessive pronoun does not depend on a noun. So, if we use it with a noun, possessive pronouns come after the noun. Fine? Now let's see the examples. I met a friend of mine. Here, observe that possessive pronoun mine does not depend on the noun friend. So, it comes after the noun friend, isn't it? Let's see one more example. These clothes are hers. Whose clothes are these? Hers, isn't it? Here, the word hers is possessive pronoun, which does not depend on the noun. Fine? So, children, we just have seen what is possessive pronoun. Okay, so a possessive pronoun is a word that replaces a noun by talking about its possession and it comes after the noun. That means it is not followed by noun, right? Whereas possessive adjective is a word that modifies a noun by talking about its possession. It talks about a possession of a noun and who it belongs to, right? And it is always followed by a noun. For example, these books are mine. These are my books. Over here, mine is possessive pronoun and my is the possessive adjective. Now it is time to check how much have we understood. So let us solve this practice exercise and understand the topic thoroughly. Over here, you are supposed to replace each underlined possessive adjective with the correct possessive pronoun and make a new sentence. Fine? So the first example says, this is my bicycle. So over here, my is possessive adjective of pronoun I. Fine. So possessive pronoun of I is mine, right? So the correct sentence would be, this bicycle is mine. Okay. Next example, that's our house. So over here, our is possessive adjective or pronoun we. Very good. So possessive pronoun of we is ours. And the new sentence would be, that house is ours. Okay? Well done, children. Well, I hope your confusion between the possessive pronoun and possessive adjective has been cleared up. And you will be able to use these two forms correctly in your sentences. So children, keep practicing till we meet again. Thank you. Bye-bye.